Day 1, I'm going to start my new routine using this pulling oil in order to whiten my teeth. This thing is viral. I'm just seeing it all over the place. And here's the ingredients. Looks like it's mostly based on the coconut oils and different natural ingredients. If you have any kind of allergy, look out for this. It's a pretty sizable container, 8 fluid ounces. Yeah, wish me luck. I'm excited to have whiter teeth, and I'm gonna have to show you the before and after on this and let you know how well it works. Some people are even saying that it heals existing problems in your mouth, so that would be interesting. And another thing that I'm a little bit concerned about is that I do have a sensitive gag reflex, so some people are complaining that it's hard to deal with keeping it in your mouth for so long. You're supposed to hold it in there, I don't know, what was it, 10 minutes? So you want to try to work up to 10 minutes, starting at 2 minutes and then, you know, becoming better and better. See what kind of activities I can take care of, you know, whether it's my work or maybe practicing the violin. It should be very interesting. So stay tuned.